Assalamualaikum. Once again, welcome back to your own channel AI Training Official. So today we are going to learn introduction to Blender. So if you are a beginner and you really want to learn Blender in detail, then I think that at first you have a little bit knowledge about Blender, that what Blender is capable of. Blender is a free, open source and industry standard software. Okay, so you are using the industry standard software. So before drawing anything, before any 3D modeling, you just have a little bit knowledge about introduction that what Blender is capable of. Okay, whether it is 3D modeling, animation, video editing, photo editing, and all that. Okay, so I think this video is going to be a very informative and helpful for you. So without wasting that time, let's get started.
So let's start. Basically, Blender is a free and open source 3D creation software that can be used for a variety of purposes such as modeling, animation, rigging, simulation, rendering, and most important, composition. It was developed by a Blender Foundation and is available for Windows, Mac, Linux, and operating system. Okay, it doesn't matter whether you have Windows 7, 8, 10. It will be good for every window. Okay. Furthermore, Blender has a powerful basically interface that allows users to create complex 3D models and animation with simple and easy modifiers. It also comes with a variety of tools and features including 3D modeling and sculpting tools, a powerful animation system, physics simulation, advanced shading and rendering capabilities, and most importantly, a node-based composition system. Okay, so these are some features of Blender which will be uh, helpful for when you are modeling anything. Okay. So Blender flexibility and versatility make it a popular choice for a wide range of industries, including game development, visual effects, architecture, most importantly product design and education. Okay, so it is also widely used by artists and hobbyists for personal projects and creative expression, right? Furthermore, whether you are a beginner or an experienced 3D artist, Blender offers a wide range of resources and support, including online tutorials, documentations, most importantly, forums, and a vibrant community of users and developers. Okay, are you getting my point? If I talk about the CG animated short films, then Blender was used in the production of award-winning short film, that is Agent 327, Operation Barbershop, and most importantly, in the visual effects for the hit TV series that is Game of Thrones. Okay, so overall, I would say that Blender's power, versatility, accessibility, and industry recognition have contributed to its status as an industry standard software. Okay, yeah, I am right. It's the industry standard software, free, open source, and industry standard software. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope this video is helpful and informative for you. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notification. More interesting and informative videos are uploading very soon, so stay tuned. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. Thanks a bunch.